Hello, everyone. Today we are going to sing the Two Little Blackbirds song. We have been singing this song in Primary 2 a lot, and I hope you all enjoy the song as well. For this song, you need your two fingers. The pointer finger and the pointer finger of the other hand. These are our two little blackbirds today. So are you ready with your two little blackbirds? Okay. Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill. One named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. You can take your hands behind your back. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. Two little blackbirds flying in the sky. One named Low and one named High. Fly away, low. Fly away, high. Come back, low. Come back, high. Two little blackbirds sitting on a pole. One named Fast and one named Slow. Fly away, fast. Fly away, slow. Come back, fast. Come back, slow. Very slow. Slow is back. Two little blackbirds sitting on a gate. One named Early and one named, what do you think is the name of the other bird? If one is early, the other one is late. We are doing opposites, right? So early and late. Fly away early. Fly away late. It's gonna be late. Come back early. Early, so early. Come back late. Where is late? It's gonna be late. Come back late. He's back. Two little blackbirds sitting on a mop. One named Bottom, one named Top. Fly away, Bottom. Fly away, Top. Come back, Bottom. Come back, Top. Two little blackbirds sitting on a car. One named Near, one named Far. Fly away, Near. Fly away, Far. Come back, Near. Come back, Far. Two little blackbirds sitting on a gate. One was wobbly and one was straight. Fly away, wobbly. Fly away, straight. Come back, wobbly. Come back, straight. Two little blackbirds sitting on a cloud. One was quiet and one was loud. Fly away, quiet. Fly away, loud. Come back, quiet. Come back, loud. Those are two little blackbirds, and you can make your two little blackbirds and give them any two opposite names, just like we gave them so many opposite names. You can make your names for the two little blackbirds you want. Okay, enjoy the song and have fun. Bye-bye.